vlog.
Literally comment.
And then we get on the boardwalk. Oh my God. Get with the program.
Just simple.
Did you robbing me?
Come up here. Go look and get my job here.
Oh my God.
Hey y'all. Hold on. Whoa. I look black. You want to do this outside?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1.
So, I'm with the baddest.
You know?
How did that happen? I don't know.
Twice in a year.
We're out of town. We're thugging with our rounds. Can't
Don't you finish that.
Okay. So, yeah.
I know y'all see me in the bed. Oh,
We got Naya's dot. Y'all, something on my lens. And my edges ain't done. Wow. Shades really can make you delusional. We got Naya.diary in the cut. Y'all go watch her YouTube video. But anyways.
Also, I am starting
I've been
a
here
YouTube.
for.
I'm starting a YouTube channel.
We've been here for 2 days and I'm just now pulling out my camera. So I've really been vacationing. Excuse the echo, excuse the air. I don't live here. I don't know what's going on. Okay, just take it away.
Hey y'all, it's Kareem's Chronicles.
Period.
Today we are going to be doing a double vlog. I got my phone, we got the camera, we here with Asia, Nene, Lauren, and Ashton, and we're about to hit the boardwalk.
What was my name? Asia Kins.
Asia Kins, yeah. Don't do high.
Period. So we're about to hit the boardwalk and we're about to go to the beach. Just vibing out today. We got the family coming out. It's really about to be like a little family reunion or whatever. Because it's my auntie's birthday.
Camp Rock. But anyways, we shall see y'all on the boardwalk.
Have another
okay.
day.
So I leave tomorrow for work, but here's him. He's staying. I need a break from him. Here's Shaq. Shaq, say hi.
Hey. What?
All right. We got Jade. Coldo, let's say hi. It's about to be cold. Wait, say hi, Colby. Can she be on camera? She gonna be on this camera today. Say hi, Mama.
That's the camera.
Say hi,
Put my mom in the back.
All right, so y'all, we're going to the beach. I'm sorry, y'all, I can't really, like, I don't know how to work.
Kaioken times 3.
Let me see.
So it's gonna be cool. Zion, you ain't holding this.
Why? You break your mom now.
Hi vlog.
Yeah, y'all. So we turning up at Wildwood. We got your girl Sinene over here. Sinene, say what's up. Period.
You didn't even put me in the camera.
Oh,
You
yes,
were.
she did.
You were literally in the
I'm about to hit 200K any day now. So we gotta celebrate. We gotta turn up. Period. Cause my bookie is out here.
Hi.
I can't-
World, we're all alone. We only love my island.
You was being mean to me. You was being mean.
Yeah, you was yelling.
He yelling.
Yeah. Yelling.
Yelling. He was yelling.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What you putting up?
This is she just doing this.
Oh,
I said, watch out.
That's not how she mixed.
Not doing that. The reason why he died. Yo. Hey, I'm still scared to get on the water.
get with the program.
Play with me. We'll turn this into Bad Kid Season finale.
You want to fight on the beach each?
Here, guys, someone's wants the camera. It's their turn.
So it's chaotic. So vlogging.
Hey, we vlogging.
Whoa, they exposed.
Hey, show our move right here. Hurry up, hurry up. You're not gonna Hey, everybody, this is you.
It's memories. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to get in the beach. I haven't went to the beach in like 3, 4, 5 years. So y'all about to see my reaction. Oh my god, Kamari Craig won't give me the microphone.
Kamari, pants about to fall off.
going down. All 2020 folks. But hold on, I don't want to just. Oh my God. It's kind of guys snippy. It's snippy out here.
Snippy out here.
As soon as I walked out here, Ozzy, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I caught a deep wave. Like I was in that thing like this. Like with my back leg. My right leg started giving out and a stingray came out of nowhere. A big groggy just jumped onto me. Got a hold of my neck like. No. He's wetting his jeans.
What is?
He's such a menace to society. Wait, is it a kind of hippie sleigh?
No, he does not care.
He can have a photo shoot. Wait, that kind of is. What is it?
He's making it like
Yes. KJ, go back in the water. Come back out. It was out of focus. Lauren, you're hungry? We just ate. The ocean for you. I will come and bring you the. Hey, KJ, go back. Do that again, but slower, and I'm gonna zoom in.
No, Ashley.
We'll cross the ocean for you. Yes. This is Cleo. Cleo. Clear. Beyonce, Beyonce, oh, beautiful life. Beyonce, Beyonce, hey, hey, Shakira, Shakira. Oh.
Ashton, go to your right. Ashton. Oh my God, I know this dance.
The pants.
I'm not sure y'all.
Do it, Ashley. Yeah. Wiki, 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 wiki. So, well, okay, back and down and around, pop it to the ground. Bop, bop, bop. Tweedle, deedle, and bow.
What? what's your baggage mean? We got our things at the candy and
Name all the things you don't like about KJ. He not here right now.
Exactly.
What?
Exactly. Don't do that.
Wait, I can name a few. I can name a few.
Honest Twix.
That thing that he does with his lips when he mad. Ah, ah, oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 sheesh, 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 sheesh. Bop, 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 bop. Ooh, bop. Come on, hold her shirt up. Ah, Dog Walker, Dog Walker. Ah, ah, ah. You know that's auntie move? Oh, 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 oh.
I don't got none, I don't got none.
Come on, AJ.
I don't got none.
Come on, come on.
Okay.
Yeah, Ashley. How do I know?
Give me the camera. Yeah, yeah, yeah. KJ, hold up the shirt. Yeah, hold up the shirt. What is love me. What's that M? Me plus. Who that down there? Uh-oh.
They call me Black Poppy. Black Poppy Zug.
They don't though.
They call me Black Poppy Zug.
Necklace backwards. That just shows y'all.
Y'all think I host this joint a little better than you.
Cap. I've been doing it for 5 years.
Section, who y'all think did the vlog better?
Literally comment.
He a YouTuber.
He want to be a YouTuber so bad.
That's W. Z.
My mic works. You can
A. 1-0. Not 1-0. 1-0.
Okay.
Remember that.
You got a YouTube channel? Yeah. Shout it out.
Not a YouTube. It's a TikTok and a Gram. By the same name. Oh, go ahead.
All right, shout yourself out.
She mean. You don't really want.
That underscore girl underscore.
Can we go to Auntie Annie's first?
Why are you doing so much?
Are you racing each other?
Boy, you know that ain't a question.
I mean, we're going to set up the bar for you.
What? No!
Hands up.
That's not
Up,
fair.
up, Okay.
We're gonna see who the strongest, Sanaya or KJ.
My money on Sanaya because she been acting like an athlete lately.
So,
your money on? Who
okay
your money
guys,
neither?
before we start, let's explain the rules.
Who your money on?
The
Who your
rules
money
are very
on?
simple.
Hey, I got my money on none of
All
them.
you
Yeah,
gotta
me
do is
too,
stand on the bar for 2 minutes. As
Who got
long
your
as you
money
stay
on?
straight and
got
your feet forward.
AJ face
Who you got
You
your
gotta
money
grab the bar
on?
forward, backward, it doesn't matter.
I know
You
KJ
cannot
got that
mix match.
face. She
He
got
got
that
that
ass
face, but he
face.
might forget
Pull-ups
though.
are not allowed,
Hey, that
and do
face
not
gonna
move
wear
around the
off.
bar.
He might forget
That's
he a
it.
nigga.
Hey, when KJ face change, watch him give up.
If you want to dry up your hands or wipe it
I'm
up the bar,
just being
it's up to
real.
you.
Watch, watch.
2, 1, good luck, and game on just here. Let's see how strong our guests are here tonight.
Don't make her
Keep it
laugh.
up, keep it
Don't
up,
make
and
her
go
laugh.
for it, just here.
Are you serious? Oh my God. Y'all, yes!
Let's see, guys, who's gonna be the next Loki winners. Up to you. For 2 minutes. Please, I give. Either way, it's the same time for both.
My wallet in here.
He about to give you it.
Do they have an ATM here?
Wait. Please, I give. Okay, 35 seconds gone. 35 seconds gone here. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Whoa.
Oh shit, they really hold on.
I know.
Anyone get to go? 40 seconds left to go, guys.
34, 32, 31.
30, 29, 28.
That was good. That was good.
But they lasted a long time though.
That was good.
Who's next, guys? Who's next?
I'm not doing this. She go. I think she going.
30 seconds left.
Oh! Lauren, come on, you got this. Be my time. Be my time, Lauren.
Give it a try, guys. Just here.
Don't give up.
Come over here.
Times in a row, that shit hurt.
Yeah, you can take off your sandals if you want to. Give it a try, guys. Give it a try. It's up to you. No, that's a disqualification.
Ow! Why you start yelling?
They can't go no lower, Lala.
No, Lauren, I got
Hands
to
up.
higher. Keep going, AJ. Come on, AJ.
160, 115.
You don't know
I mean,
what to do for
you
nothing.
can try.
Ow! We done. We lost that discipline. Glad we are. Let me stop. I would have stopped at 30.
Choice. Come up here. Yeah, it's okay for you, that one. With one moment. Okay.
Bitches, you robbing me?
Okay, guys. So, okay, you can get up on the ladder. Let me explain you before we start the rules.
Lauren, don't start grabbing before you have to. Just wait.
You gotta grab the bar forward, backward, it doesn't matter. You cannot. One, go look, and game on just here.
Oh my God!
5 seconds gone here.
5 seconds. I'm talking.
Keep it up, keep it up.
How you feel about that one?
Okay, guys, 2 more spots here. You can raise each other if you want. You'll never know.
Ain't different, bro.
Watch out, watch out for her.
Yo, I better not hear AJ say niggas can't hang no more. Watch the train car, please. Watch the train car, please. Hang like we cannot hang.
I can't hang.
Not with the way we just did. Bubbles. I got that shit right on camera. Really can't hang. That's the 3rd time I done said this joke. Like, what? Oh, okay. Alright, excuse you. Come on. This way. Excuse us.
When we get over there to the right though.
Yes. Can we do stuff in front of like DQ and Auntie Annie's? Lauren, your favorite place? I do. Bro, can we get on the maze and get on the vlog? Bro, can we get on that fucking maze, bro? That shit like 5 to 10. Shit like 20 to 30. Auntie T said bring something back for Kamari.
First time I was longer than KJ the first time.
No, the first time, she went 6 seconds. Maybe the second time, because I went like 3.
That's what I was saying. I was not.
Lauren, you in your favorite place? Lauren, you in your favorite place?
Lauren, what is your food? I'm fighting one of them. One of them gonna get it. Lauren, you not one of your friends gonna tonight. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hold up.
My camera dying. Bye. See you later. Ooh, they got the toes out. Here, you better say them prayers. All right, y'all gotta start backing up soon. Ah! No, he's checking for seatbelts.
All clear.
Feet high into the wildwood sky.
Oh, okay. Okay, how was it? Oh.
Trying to be cool. Trying to be cool.
We had our hands up the whole time. How was it, girl?
I was scared. It was
I ate that. Are you serious?
Yes, it was.
Y'all ready for the next one? I want to get on that one right there.
All right, y'all. I still haven't really ate. I'm hungry.
We're gonna ride this up here. I'm about to go backwards. Like KJ. We're gonna ride that one after.
Oh my God, when did
And I'm gonna go get a hot dog. Is that you? Yeah. We did move. That's my house. I hate it. I'm scared. I hate it. When did I stop it? I'm freaking out.
We're not done. That was only half the fun. Second
I'm dizzy.
going the other way.
No.
We're going backwards.
People about the next side don't say that.
I can't breathe.
Guess what? I got some ice cream.
Whoa. Fuck you, bitch. I'm done with rides after this. Period. Period.
Oh wait, is it one person per car?
No, but still.
I'm gonna ask them to do one person.
Oh, that's just sinister. Little baby kitty
I was
stuff.
freaking out, y'all.
Oh, that ride?
Bro, yes, I get so motion sick. Like, my body thought I was in a car accident. When it stopped, I was like,
Yeah, KJ, you sure can let it out? Yeah.
father like son.
Don't play with me.
Oh my God, what's taking long? All right, y'all, we about to get on another ride. I did it too. Oh, shit. Try to square up. Woo! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my God, yo. Oh! Oh! Oh, we're going back down. Cut your corner, cut